Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, wear an ESD strap and remove power and network cables. You do not need to wait. Use Torx T8 and T10 to remove visible screws, then pry the top shell with a plastic tool. Once open, locate the HDD cage. This is where your 5 SATA drive sits. Remove the 5-plate screws holding the bay. Keep screws organized. Make sure to ground yourself as you touch connectors. This prevents static damage and preserves the console's logic board while you proceed. Once the bay is free, disconnect the SATA and power connectors gently and pull the HDD out at a shallow angle. You install the SSD using the same screw pattern. If using a smaller 5 drive, align it with the bay and secure with original screws or a provided adapter. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the SATA cable and power cable. Make sure connectors seat fully and straight. If something feels loose, reseat it. Proper contact ensures the Xbox recognizes the drive during boot and avoids data errors. Reassemble the case by reversing your steps. Close the top shell, reinstall the Torx screws, and reconnect power and network cables. Boot the console. When Xbox prompts, format the new SSD for games and apps. This erases everything on the drive, so be prepared. Sign into your account and re-download profiles and cloud saves. Transfer installed games as needed. If the Xbox fails to boot or does not detect the drive, power down. Reseat the SATA/power connectors, and if necessary,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.